Why haven't we met aliens yet? We gaze upon a universe of unimaginable scale. Billions of galaxies, each home to billions of stars and trillions of planets. The sheer numbers suggest that life in some form should be abundant across the cosmos. Yet, despite decades of searching, the universe remains profoundly silent. This profound contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the complete lack of evidence is known as the Fermi Paradox. It is the cosmic silence that truly baffles us. Where is everyone? Why have we not detected signals, probes, or any sign of advanced civilizations? This unsettling quietude has led to one of the most compelling and chilling hypotheses in astrobiology, the Great Filter. The Great Filter proposes a barrier, a monumental hurdle that prevents life from advancing to an interstellar civilization. It suggests that while life might be common, the journey to becoming a spacefaring species is fraught with peril. The core idea is that intelligent, technological life is exceedingly rare, not because life itself is rare, but because something along the evolutionary path acts as a devastating bottleneck. The central, terrifying question for humanity then becomes, has our species already passed this filter, or does it still lie ahead? Consider the most optimistic scenario, the best case for humanity. What if the Great Filter is already in our past? This would mean that the most improbable step in the journey to intelligent life has already occurred. Perhaps the greatest hurdle was the very emergence of life itself. The transition from non-living matter to self-replicating organisms, a process known as abiogenesis, remains one of science's deepest mysteries. It might be an event so astronomically improbable that it rarely, if ever, happens elsewhere. If this is true, then intelligent life, like our own, is an incredibly rare cosmic phenomenon. We would be a statistical anomaly, a precious and fragile spark in an otherwise lifeless universe. This perspective casts humanity in a unique light. We are not just one civilization among many, but potentially a cosmic miracle, a singular experiment in consciousness. Our existence would be a testament to an almost impossible chain of events. Such a realization would imbue our existence with immense responsibility. We would be the universe's sole custodians of intelligence, making our survival and flourishing paramount. Now, let us confront the grim and unsettling possibility. What if the Great Filter still lies in our future? This hypothesis suggests that advanced civilizations inevitably encounter a catastrophic barrier that leads to their self-destruction. The silent cosmos then becomes a graveyard. This future filter could manifest in numerous ways, many of which are already visible on our own horizon. Nuclear war, for instance, remains a constant threat, capable of wiping out complex societies. The unchecked development of runaway artificial intelligence could also pose an existential risk, leading to scenarios beyond our control. Environmental collapse driven by our own actions presents another clear and present danger. Pandemics, far more devastating than any we have yet experienced, could decimate populations and unravel civilization. Resource depletion and the wars fought over dwindling necessities could also prove to be insurmountable obstacles. If these are the filters, then the universe is silent, because every advanced civilization eventually succumbs to its own technological prowess or inherent flaws. Humanity, in this scenario, would be on a collision course with the same destruction. The absence of other voices in the cosmos would not be a sign of our uniqueness, but a chilling premonition of our own impending doom. We would simply be another civilization approaching the inevitable silent end. The profound lack of evidence for extraterrestrial life is the primary fuel for the Great Filter theory. Decades of dedicated searching through radio telescopes and space probes have yielded nothing. We have detected no clear signals, no alien probes, and no colossal megastructures orbiting distant stars. The cosmos offers only the faint static of natural phenomena, an empty broadcast. This pervasive silence strongly suggests that something is preventing life from reaching a detectable, interstellar stage. It implies that previous civilizations, if they ever existed, have fallen. However, the Great Filter is not the only explanation for the cosmic quiet. One particularly chilling alternative is the dark forest theory. This hypothesis paints the universe as a dangerous, hostile place. Imagine a dark forest where every hunter is hidden, and revealing your presence means inviting attack. In this cosmic analogy, civilizations remain silent and hidden to avoid detection by potentially hostile, more advanced species. The implication is terrifying. The universe might be teeming with life, but everyone is silent for survival. To broadcast our presence would be an act of profound recklessness, potentially inviting annihilation from an unknown predator. Regardless of where the Great Filter lies, humanity stands at a critical juncture. We now wield technologies with the potential for both unprecedented progress and unimaginable self-destruction. Our future hinges on the choices we make today. Our survival will depend on our capacity for cooperation, our ability to adapt to new challenges, and our responsible management of technological advancements. We must navigate the perils of our own ingenuity with wisdom and foresight. The Great Filter forces us to confront our vulnerabilities and the profound consequences of our actions. It is a stark reminder that our existence is not guaranteed and our future is not predetermined. Yet, there is also a glimmer of hope, another interpretation of the filter. Perhaps the filter is not about destruction, but about evolution. What if advanced civilizations transcend their physical limitations, merging biology with technology or evolving into forms beyond our current comprehension? They might achieve a state where interstellar communication, as we understand it, becomes irrelevant. Their existence might be so fundamentally different that they simply have no need or desire to interact with nascent civilizations like ours. The silence, then, might not be a graveyard, but a sign of transcendence. It might mean we are the last ones left in our current form, with the future of consciousness and perhaps the universe itself resting in our hands. The cosmic silence compels us to listen, to learn, and to choose our path wisely.